Most of the time, we find youths and students saying that most of the things are not good. Like university is not good, school is not good, college is not good, teachers are not good, professors are not good, things are not proper, system is not working, evaluation is not good, we are not getting the results as we have performed, we are not getting the jobs after passing the examination. And even sometimes they are complaining about their family members, like they are not supportive. And most often, unconsciously, they are repeating the things. And let me tell you, they are receiving whatsoever in their life and the situations they have surrounded them. They have attracted those situations and ordered those situations unconsciously, indirectly to their life. Do you or do they really want these things to happen to their life? No. But it will happen again and again if we will be doing the things likewise as we have done so far. In talking and discussing and repeating all those things which we don't want in our life, we are indirectly attracting to them. What we need to do is we just have to order differently. We just have to order what we want in our life. We just don't have to give the remote control of our life and situations to others, or even we don't should give the remote control of our decisions and get influenced from the situations. We need to have the control of our life and decisions and the situations at our own. It is just like that you go to a restaurant and you order something and you get that into your plate. And likewise, you are repeating something to your mind unconsciously, you are giving orders and you are receiving the same in your plate. If you want something order to be delivered in your life, you need to order something else. You need to order what you want to be delivered in your plate of life. Life is not received twice. So it is better that have control of that into your life by ordering correct things in correct times and having favorable situations in your life. Avoid getting influenced from the situations and frame those situations by giving affirmations of the things you like into your life. What you want to have, what you want happen to your life, frame those affirmations accordingly and read them yourself repeatedly, again and again, every day in the morning, and by the time you go to sleep, and even during the day while you work, you should have those thoughts in your mind which you want to happen, and don't order those things which you don't want, and avoid these situations, avoid talking these situations, because indirectly you are inviting them. If you want to avoid them and want to invite those favorable situations which can just change your career and life, so design your affirmations that you want to that you want that happen to your life, 1 2 3 4, and repeat them again and again. And let me make it assurance to you that it will happen. If you are making those affirmations what you want in your life, that will also happen, because it is just like giving the orders, and it's inner control. It is my best advice that from the next time, order correct things and have correct things, so that you will have correct focus to your work, to your study. Thank you so much for now. Get back to you again. Until next time.